There are protests once again as far as the farmer agitation is concerned. Farmers are mainly protesting the delay in paddy procurement. Those are pictures that we're getting from outside the CM house in Karnal in Haryana. Protests have also erupted in Ambala, and we're also learning of protests at the Delhi-Uttar Pradesh border, the Ghazipur border. Let's first go across to Mohammad Ghazali joining us with the very latest. Ghazali, what more can you tell us? Those are dramatic pictures that we're getting from Karnal at the moment. All right, we'll connect with Ghazali in just a bit, but let me just bring our viewers up to speed with what you're seeing on your screens. Those are pictures coming in from Karnal at the moment, where farmers are protesting outside the residence of the Haryana Chief Minister, ML Khattar, his residence in Karnal. There are also protests outside the homes of other MLAs in Haryana. Farmers have tried to remove the police barricades that have been put in place. Meanwhile, there is heavy police deployment in Karnal. Also getting visuals of farmer agitation from Ambala, and farmers have also started agitating at the Delhi-Uttar Pradesh border, the Ghazipur border. So farmers are protesting at district headquarters across Punjab and Haryana. They are demanding the immediate procurement of paddy. Now remember, the government has delayed the paddy procurement this year, saying that the crop is damp as a result of the heavy rains. Farmers, of course, have said that this is a political tactic. Chief Minister of Punjab, the new Chief Minister, Charanjit Singh Channi, also met with the Prime Minister yesterday to demand that the central government immediately issue orders for paddy procurement, and that paddy procurement should not, in fact, be delayed any further. Farmers had said that they will continue their agitation against the delay in paddy procurement outside of homes of ministers and MLAs. That protest continues, and as you can see, those dramatic pictures from Karnal at the moment, with farmers trying to remove the police barricades that have been put in place as a security measure outside the Chief Minister's residence. Large number of farmers gathered, and heavy police deployment. You can see their water cannons were used, in fact, to disperse the protesting farmers. So these are the latest pictures coming in from Karnal. Heavy police deployment in Ambala and along the Delhi Uttar Pradesh border. My colleague Saurabh Shukla is also at ground zero. He sent us his report from the Ghazipur border.
From last 10 months, farmers of the country, they are sitting on the borders of Delhi, following the path which was shown by our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Today, on the call of Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, more than 20 farmers are fasting and paying their tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, and their message is that they will walk on the path which was shown by Mahatma Gandhi. They will keep sitting here peacefully till the time 3 laws are repealed. Joined by a few farmers, let's speak with them and understand what is their purpose for this fast and what they are going to do. Sir, आपका नाम बताइए।
राजवीर सिंह जादौन।
क्या आज प्रोग्राम है आप लोग?
आज राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी के जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं हम लोग। साथ ही एक और बड़े लीडर हुए हैं, बड़े संत हुए हैं राजनीति में, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी, उनका भी आज जन्मदिन है। तो ये किसान आंदोलन जो 10 महीने पुराना है, लगातार चल रहा है, ये समय समय पर बड़े बड़े महापुरुषों का जो आया दिन, उनको मनाते रहे। आज भी हम लोग उसी को मना रहे हैं। 9 बजे से 10 बजे तक हमारा हवन का कार्यक्रम चला। 10 बजे से संयुक्त किसान मोर्चे के आह्वान पर एक ये निर्णय लिया गया था कि महापुरुषों के यादगार में, जिन्होंने उपवास को एक बहुत बड़ा हथियार साबित किया था, बापू हो या शास्त्री जी हो। शास्त्री जी ने देश की अर्थव्यवस्था मजबूत करने के लिए एक दिन का उपवास की बात कही, वो पूरे देश ने उनके साथ खड़े होकर के एक दिन का उपवास रखा। तो ये जो मूल भावनाएं रही हैं इस देश की, गांधी जी बैरिस्टर होने के बावजूद उन्होंने समझा इस चीज़ को कि ये कृषि प्रधान देश है, ये ऋषि प्रधान देश है, ये भारतीय संस्कृति प्रधान देश है। इसका कल्याण, इसका भला तब तक नहीं हो सकता जब तक इसके आधार पर न चला जाए। तो उन्होंने बैरिस्टर होने के बावजूद भी एक धोती से पदन को लपेट करके इस संदेश दिया।
वही संदेश आप लोग भी दे रहे हैं आज यहाँ से।
उसी पर हम लोग डटे हुए हैं और उसी शांति के मार्ग पर आंदोलन चला रहे हैं। जब तक 3 कानून वापिस और MSP पे कानून नहीं बन जाएगा, ये आंदोलन बापू के सिद्धांतों पर, शास्त्री जी के सिद्धांतों पर, बाबा टिकैत के सिद्धांतों पर चलता है।
बाबा, आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नौ सिंह ढुल्लो नाम है।
नौ सिंह जी, आपकी उम्र कितनी है?
71 वर्ष है।
और आज अनशन कर रहे हैं आप?
हाँ जी।
कितने महीने से यहाँ बैठे हैं?
यहाँ 10 महीने और 7 दिन हो गए।
10 महीने 7 दिन हो गए। इस उम्र में आपकी सेहत आपको अलाउ करती है?
हमें तो अलाउ, हम तो यूँ कहें कि हम जीवन भी यहीं दे देंगे, बाकी जब तक MSP कानून के दायरे में नहीं आएगा, तीनों कानून वापस नहीं होंगे, तब तक हम घर वापसी नहीं होंगे।
From Gazipur border, camera person Prem Singh, Saurabh Shukla for NDTV.
Let's go right across to Mohammad Ghazali, my colleague tracking the details of this story. Ghazali, farmers are protesting in Karnal. We're also getting in pictures from Ambala at the moment. Water cannons used. What's the situation on the ground?
Now, across most of the districts in Haryana, the farmers and farm union leaders have been protesting against the central government's decision to delay the procurement of paddy crop. The government says that due to high moisture content, since the region has received heavy rainfall in the past couple of weeks, so the farmers should get enough time to dry their crop, the crop produce, so that the moisture content comes down to a permissible limit. But farmers feel that most of the farmers have got their crop matured and its standing crop is ready to be harvested. But if the procurement starts by 11th of October, the farmers say that either the standing crop will get damaged in the rain which is predicted in a couple of days again, and if they harvest it, they don't have enough space to store it. And many farmers have already arrived in the mandis in the last 1 week. So this is the main bone of contention between the farmers and the government. As of now, tense situation across most of the districts, basically in Karnal, which has the residence of Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. Farmers have been sitting there outside his residence, and in other districts also they have decided to protest outside the residence of BJP and JJP leaders, MLAs, MPs, as well as cabinet ministers. So police had to use water cannon in Karnal to disperse the protesters, but they have outnumbered the cops there. So that is why they have broken barricades and all, and have reached near the residence of Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar, and they plan to sit there. Farmers are coming with their paddy crop laden tractors and trolleys and are reaching outside the residence of these leaders.
Right, and Ghazali, you know, there has been a huge controversy over the procurement of paddy. The government claims that the delay is because the harvest has got wet as a result of the incessant rains, and many would say delayed rains in these areas. What are the farmers demanding? Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi also placed this demand before the central government. Where's the stalemate?
See, the stalemate is very circumstantial. The government feels that since the region has received rainfall in the last couple of weeks, so the crop produce which has been harvested may have moisture content which is beyond the permissible limit, and in the next 10 days, the farmers have been given time so that their crop produce becomes dry and the moisture limit comes down. But farmers feel that those who haven't harvested yet and those who have the standing crop in their field, if they harvest it now and if the procurement starts by 11th of October, where will they store their produce for the next 10 days? And if they don't harvest and if there is rainfall, then their standing crop will get damaged. So, and they are also relating it to the new farm laws, because we have seen how trust deficit between the government and farmers have grown over the last 1 year due to the agitation against farm laws. They feel and they allege that the government is trying to stop procuring crops and giving an open field to the private players, because many farmers in Punjab and Haryana have already reached the grain market in the last 1 week. They have dropped their grain there and there is nobody to procure it. So a lot of allegations, counter allegations going around between farmers and the government.